Everyone take pictures, but to capture great moments, you need to be patient. You need to be aware of surroundings. Every second there's a picture around you. Your brain tells you to click, but you cannot sync up with your brain. You need to learn to see the world as it is, but not how you want it. Your consciousness develops gradually as you capture more and more. The good pictures come when you get connected to your subject, when you feel their emotions, when you feel their pain. Then only you can capture what it is actually. Nothing is right or wrong in this world. It's how everyone's way of living is. You want to know how to be a great photographer? You want to know what is your style of work? What you love the most? You need to learn about yourself. You need to get yourself away from the screens. You need to get connected to the real world. You need to see the real world by your eyes. Do not get trapped in the internet world. Images are so powerful that they can change your life and others as well. You know why I love photography? Because I am able to stop that particular moment that will never come again in my life. Photography has expanded my view of the world. Photography has taken my senses to the next level. Photography has compelled me to stay in reality, to be in reality, to enjoy my life in the real time. Why you love photographs? Why you love your favorite photograph?
Hi friends, my name is Bhumika. This photograph was taken in Ooty and it is too close to me as it was my dream to capture mountains with fog, and I was so mesmerized to see the beauty of nature, and the fact that I was able to capture it made me so happy that day today, and it will in future also.
This was my first time playing with shadows in my bedroom, as well as this was my first time editing a photo with Adobe Lightroom mobile. So this is my favorite photo.
I love this photograph because Ganpati Bappa is too close to my heart, and this picture has turned out so well because of the smoke effect, and the object is placed so properly and everything is so perfect in this picture. So I love this picture.
I remembered the moment very well when I captured this photo. It was monsoon season and it was quite difficult to capture the scene because the leopard was hidden in the bushes, and at a particular time he looked out from the bushes and I just captured it.
I personally like this photo because this photo portrays the situation of COVID-19, and it says that growth is not bound by darkness around it. A small ray of hope is all that is required.
And this shot of the birds flying, I took it at Ana Sagar, Ajmer, when I was in first year, and I was amazed how my smartphone captured the details of the birds flying.
picture that I've clicked because I remember I was going through my phone gallery and randomly I just decided to post this picture and I didn't even edit it, just posted it, and next day my phone was busting with so many likes and comments and people following on my page, and I didn't expect that, but it was a big surprise that people really liked the photo that I clicked, and I was so happy, and yeah, it was surreal.
Portrait is my personal favorite among all the shots I captured. This is because that shot was taken in my room using a homemade studio light, and secondly that was a reflection shot. The subject was watching into the mirror while I took that shot. So yeah,
I like the photo because of the crispy bubbles and the perfect timing I shot it. It is a certain photo. I got the shell while I am walking at the beach, and when the wave is coming, I just put there and clicked in the perfect timing. So I like it most.
The picture that I sent today is from a foggy morning, and what made me fall in love with that picture is that while editing this picture, I discovered that there was a lady walking through the fog, and it was magical, fantastic.
I like the picture because it gives me hope. It is a sense of calm for me, and I like the feeling when in reality when I was looking at the frame, my eyes could reach a certain point when the sea and the sky had the same color, and now we actually don't know when are we going to be in the sea again.
The reason I think this photo I like a lot is because this is one of the photos I think I clicked at a very beautiful moment. It's because it was a rainy day and the rain had gone. It was a cloudy moment, and out of all the photos I found, I think this was one of the best. So I hope it's an amazing one. Thank you.
This is my most favorite picture because 2 to 3 years back when I just started photography, this was the first bird picture which I captured with blur background, and that's a very big deal for me at that time. Secondly, this image is one of the main reasons for me to join wildlife photography.